and welcome back to another exciting unboxing of the Jeffree Star Mystery Box Valentine's Day Edition 2019. This is the deluxe box. In my previous unboxing video, I did an unboxing of the mini, which one is this one? The premium box. I had to double check what they were called. So this was the smaller $40 box. I did an unboxing of this just the other day since that one did arrive a few days earlier. I will put a little boop up to that one in case you want to check it out. This is the larger $75 box in which you're supposed to get $115 worth in savings. So I'm very excited to see what I got in here. Fingers are crossed that I didn't get anything that came inside of the smaller box. If there is, I don't know, we might have a giveaway on our hands, but we'll find out as we go along. Which, before I jump right into it, I do want to let you guys know that this video is extra special because it is going to be a collaboration with the beautiful Krystal K Beauty. She is one of my greatest friends and I've actually never met her. It's kind of crazy. We met through YouTube and we have done a few videos like this collaborating, and we thought that this would be a really exciting one to do together. We had both ordered the deluxe box and we want to see a comparison if we get the same stuff, if we get different things. So it just makes it a little bit more fun. 2 unboxings. The only thing though, she does live in Minnesota, so her box is a little bit delayed. She has let me know that her box and video will be up next week. I will let you guys know as soon as her video goes live in the description box with a link to her. But until that time, feel free to head on over to her channel, give her a little subscribe. She's absolutely amazing. But now, let's jump into the unboxing. This time I'm actually prepared. I got a scissor. Ooh, professional. Not using my tweezers today. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Oh man. I already see what item I'm very excited about. I'm gonna unbox that one first. Alright, so I'm starting with the item that had me screaming. I received one of the Supreme Frosts. Oh my gosh, this is one of the new highlighters. I have the shade Frozen Peach. Oh, which you guys, just a little heads up, I mentioned this in the previous video. This is the only purchase that I've made before these mystery boxes. I have the Liquid Frost in Frozen Peach. I love it. And now I got the one in Supreme Frost, the highlighting powder. Oh, I don't even want to ruin this logo, but I need to swatch it. This is $32. Feels very soft too. I went ahead and put a swatch right there of the highlighter. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. Wow, I am really happy with that. I didn't even put on highlighter today. Who am I? Maybe it was just me subconsciously knowing that this box was gonna be delivered today and I was waiting for the Jeffree Star highlighters. So let's use one cheekbone here. Gonna save the other one for another item. I'm hoping that you guys can see that on camera. It's very subtle, but oh man, is it beautiful. I've been definitely enjoying a lot more natural looking highlight on the face. I haven't been into the whole strobing metallic finish anymore. I like things a little bit softer, so this is actually really nice. I am very happy with this shade. Oh my gosh. So far, we're off to a great start. What do we got next? Oh my gosh, I might as well go with this item next. Keep with the theme. I received another Skin Frost. This one is in Regina George. Oh man, so that must mean this is a pink highlight. I'm definitely very interested to see the inside. So let's look at this. Oh, this thing is pink. Wow. It's gorgeous, but holy moly, it's pink. Let's do a swatch of this one. I have to. Let me put it next to Frozen Peach. Oh man, if it's one thing his highlighters have, it's freaking pigment. Which, by the way, the Skin Frosts are $29 and the Regina George is a limited edition item. This is the only Skin Frost highlighter that is not eye safe. This is a blush topper, or they say can be used on their own. That's coming straight from their website, so it's says it has a lot of pigments inside of it that can cause staining, so that's why they say it's not safe for the eyelids. Just want to throw that out there in case you happen to get the same highlighter. I'm thinking I'll give it a try as a little blush topper. Going in very light-handed here. Very light. Oh wow, that is actually really cute. I made sure I used a very light touch, very light hand on the cheeks too. That way I didn't get an insane amount of pigment and just have this pink strobe on my face, but very soft. It's pretty. I mean, you can see the difference there. I didn't even use blush today. Wow. All I had on was bronzer and a little bit of contour. I did see inside the box when I opened it that there was the Skin Frost in it. That's why I left the other cheek blank, but I'm gonna use the Supreme Frost and even myself out with a little bit of highlighter now, because those two were the only highlighters in the box. And so far, nothing that I received in the last box. Ooh, baby. You guys. Inside of the box, I got one of the new lip liners. I received the shade Calabasas. The velour lip liners are $16 a piece. I did see them previously inside the Morphe store when I went in there last. I gave them a little peek. They're so cute. They look like a little wand. Right over here is what Calabasas looks like. There is a liquid lipstick in the same exact shade. I enjoy doing swatches for you guys, so I'm thinking, why not just put this on the lips? Here is Calabasas on the lips in just lip liner. I do this sometimes. I will take a lip liner and just completely fill in the lips. I will keep it as a very natural lip look, or I could top it with a little bit of a gloss and bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself a full-on lip look. It's a little tip from me to you. So let's move on to the next item inside the box. We've got ourselves another lip ammunition. Just look at this packaging. It's not in the usual pink packaging. Does that mean it's a limited edition? It is in the shade Gargoyle. Yes, confirmed online. I did look it up. So this is from the 2017 holiday collection. It says it also has the classic creamsicle scent. Well, 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 I need to sniff this. This packaging is too cute. And it's a slate gray lipstick, which holy moly, they are not lying about that. I put it right next to the swatch of the lip liner, and wow, that is a great tone lipstick. Let me wipe away this lip liner and apply it. I do tend to gravitate more towards the nude lips, but I'm never afraid to put on a bold lip. Call me crazy, but since I have the very light and natural eye makeup going on today, I feel like it kind of works. And the scent is really sweet. It does kind of remind me a little bit of creamsicle, but it just mainly smells very sweet to me. It is a very heavy sweet scent though, so you have to be okay with a scented lipstick because it's very pungent. But it is a very opaque and creamy formula. It just glided on very easily. I'm happy with it. Which the lip ammos are $18. Next up, we got some more lip products. I got, whoops, that was facing the opposite way. A liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Doll Parts. You guys have no idea how excited this makes me. I've had this in my wish list for the longest time. I've been thinking about making another purchase from Jeffree Star, and every time I add a few lipsticks to the cart, Doll Parts always makes its way in there along with a few others like Designer Blood, what is it, Birthday Suit, and Celebrity Skin. Those are the ones I can name off the top of my head, and oh my gosh, I need to swatch this right now. Ooh, you know you're excited when you just can't contain yourself. Look at that shade. That is beautiful. Yep, it's going on the lips. Let's wipe away Gargoyle. This is exactly how I imagined it would look. That is so pretty. It is a very drying formula, but I don't really mind it. I do enjoy these ones that do lock into place. I don't have to worry about my lipstick slipping and sliding throughout the day. This one is, of course, $18 as well. All of the liquid lips are that price, which you guys, I have some more. Next up is another velour liquid lipstick. This one is in Crocodile Tears. Oh my gosh, is this about to be a really bold green? Oh man, I think it is. Oh yes it is. Oh my gosh, look at that color. I swatched it kind of weird at an angle on my hand here, but that is what Crocodile Tears looks like. It is a very dark, kind of foresty green. I am not afraid. One of my favorite lipsticks by Melt Cosmetics is their shade in Blow, which is a really bright green shade. I just don't have the opportunity as much to wear really crazy colors in my videos, especially on tutorials and things like that. I tend to gravitate to something a little bit more wearable for you guys because not everybody is going to be into a bright green color. I know this is definitely not everybody's cup of tea to have something this bright and out there, but I'm actually really enjoying it. I think it's a pretty color. It's very pigmented and opaque, so it doesn't look patchy or anything like that. It's a very cool lip color. So for me personally, I'm not disappointed in any of these colors. I know it might be different from person to person, but I'm happy. Which I do have one more. I have in my hands another liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Self Control. This was a part of the DELUXE collection, which I believe was from 2018. I think it launched with the first Blood Sugar palette. I know they're launching a part 2. So that's why it has this pretty red packaging, because it's a part of that collection. It is still available on their website though, and ooh, look at that. It has the red cap with the red lettering. Very pretty. Let me start swatching on the opposite side here. I need to quit going in towards my hand here. Wow. Purple. Right here is Self Control. Wow, that is a very light kind of lilac purple. Let's take off this green and try it on. One thing is for sure, Jeffree's liquid lipsticks have quite a staying power. It takes me quite a while to remove them. But now let's go in with Self Control. This color does look very pretty on the lips, but it also makes me very excited to use as a liner since these are eye safe. I'm having a vision. This one and the premium box had a really pretty color that I wanted to use as liners. I need to test these ASAP. That was actually the final liquid lipstick that was inside of this box. I do still have 2 more items to go through. Let's move on to the next one. Each box is supposed to receive a exclusive accessory item. We got a repeater. We have here a pop socket. It has the Jeffree Star logo. It's red for Valentine's Day. This item actually came in the premium box as well, and I let you guys know I was a little bit disappointed in this exclusive accessory only available in the mystery boxes. I was expecting something a little bit more, something different. A pop socket to me is just that. It's kind of like, meh. I already have one. I don't really need one. I did calculate it from the last unboxing that pop socket has a value of $14. So just a little heads up on the price of that one. But if a pop socket is the only thing I'm disappointed in both the premium and the deluxe box, I can't complain. Which I have now one more item that is inside of this box. This is a exclusive tee that they said was gonna be in there. That is why they had you choose a size of the box so that way they could ship out the correct size. So I had to get up so you guys can get the full view of this. It says can't relate with a little hand down at the bottom. I do believe this is an exclusive color as well. It's in the red. On the website there is a tee that says can't relate like this, but it's a black t-shirt with a pink lettering. That one does retail for $25, so I'm guessing this tee is around the same value. Oh, it's even a Jeffree Star logo in the back. I'm gonna throw this on really quickly. This t-shirt was the last item in the box, so let's go ahead and talk about the box overall. Inside of the deluxe box, I did receive 3 liquid lipsticks, 1 lip ammunition, 1 lip liner, 1 Supreme Frost, 1 Skin Frost, and what am I missing? The t-shirt and a pop socket. That is 9 items. That is a really good deal. If you add up the total of everything, the pop socket having a value of $14, the Can't Relate t-shirt having a value of $25, maybe $27, depending on if they raise the price of the shirt for this t-shirt being a part of the mystery bundle, but that gives you a value of $188. That's a value. And just to verify, the initial cost is $75 for the box. If you take that away from the $188, that leaves you with $113 in savings. They do say it's supposed to be $115, so that's why I'm assuming the t-shirt is maybe $27. But you guys, I started with one Jeffree Star item before these two mystery boxes. That was the Liquid Frost. And right now, my collection is exploding. This is my new insane collection. This is the deluxe box plus the premium box. Oh my gosh. I have so many of Jeffree's products now. It's so exciting. I have so much to sit here and play with. I am definitely very happy with my purchase. By the way, don't forget to keep a lookout for Krystal K Beauty's video. That is going to be going live next week. But please, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I got some makeup and I'm gonna sit here and play with it. Doo, doo, doo.